I'm a pro-life person. When the founders of our country came forward saying that they were going to have inalienable rights, they said life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. Life, I think, was not an accident in coming first. Life is an important, without life, we have nothing, and you can't have liberty or the pursuit of happiness either. So I am for the rights of children to be born, but I am very much supportive of women's issues, and I work with Julie Hamos, who I think is a tremendous person and a great legislator. So I'm very much in favor of women's rights, but I do favor pro-life.
My mother has been an OB-GYN nurse for about 35 years, and also remembers the time before Roe v. Wade, and saw the devastation that many women had to experience because they did not have reproductive justice guaranteed to them. I would be an absolute proponent of the Reproductive Health and Access Act, and I can also tell you that I'm a devout Catholic, and I don't find them to be different. I actually have come to my pro-choice beliefs and commitment because I am a Catholic. I believe in reproductive justice, and I believe in the right of women to have access to abortions when they need it.
How do we get something like this passed in a state like Illinois that's as polarized as it is? And one thing that I've learned in my lifetime of practicing law, dealing with people on both sides of issues, is how to try and speak with folks who don't necessarily agree with you. I've got in my own family people who live in rural areas, people with faith traditions very different from what dominates here in the 18th district in terms of our pro-choice predilections. And I think it's important to have a legislator who, in some sense, is multilingual and can reach across all sorts of aisles and boundaries to get the ideals passed that we all favor.
This is an absolutely critical issue. If the Stupak amendment didn't remind us of anything, it's how hard we have to fight on this issue consistently. And it's representative of a whole range of challenges we face in making sure that there's fair and equal access to reproductive health care across the board.